Hello everyone, and today we are going to discuss the another thing, that is the part 2. This is basically video is the part 2 where I am going to discuss with you how I got these 4 offer letter. देखो इससे रिलेटेड मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ कंटिन्यूअसली. मैंने पार्ट 1 बना चुका हूँ. उससे पहले मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई थी जिसमें मैंने कंबाइनली 4 ऑफर लेटर्स के बारे में थोड़ा ओवरव्यू दिया था ओनली. And I have also shown you the screenshot so that you can believe on me that yeah, I got these offer letter. That's why I'm telling you. These are not like I am just telling you I do not get these. Yeah, I got these. That's why I'm telling you how you can also got these offer letters and what was the procedures company were asking. Okay. So this video is the part 2 of this continuous playlist. Part 1 I have already uploaded. If you have not seen, just go to the description box or you just go to the channel. You can easily watch the part 1 where I have discussed the procedure, what was the procedure of company 1, that what thing basically they are asking. So before starting this video, I also want to tell you this thing, that these videos are only for those people who want the job after BCA and BSc computer science and all that. If they want job, so these videos are for those people, okay? And jobs are related to like decent package, not like if you are targeting the package of high 10, 12, 15 lakh. So you should go for masters, or you should go for some you should go for grabbing some sort of skills, okay, some more sort of skills, okay. But yeah, if you want job, like if you have some financially weak condition, or if you are not like having a family condition where you are just going to spend more years on your studies and you want immediate job, okay, after your 3-year degree, 3-year program, so these videos are basically for those people. Okay, if you want job, because see, I have also rejected these 4 offer letters because I am also pursuing the Masters of Computer Application, MCA I am pursuing. Okay, currently I rejected the offer letters, but yeah, you can easily get. And these package, I told you in the previous video also, this package basically varies from 2.5, 3, 3.5, all that. Okay, so these decent package job you can easily get, because my main aim is to just remove that myth, that wrong belief in your mind that BCA, BSc, these are the degrees that are wasteful, okay, and you can't get the job after these BCA and all that. Okay, I'm here to just tell you these things, that this is not like that after BCA or after BSc you are not going to take getting a job. Okay, you can easily get, but just you need to focus on some things. So in this video I'm going to discuss the another my second offer, that was basically from the company which is there in Gurgaon, and here I am going to discuss with you the procedure, the overview of the procedure, and my background I told you, and you can also check my background. Just go to the LinkedIn. You will find out the link in the description box, and you can connect to me on LinkedIn, where you can share your feedback, or if you want any kind of help or any kind of guidance related to BCA, so you can connect to me and you can message me on LinkedIn. Okay, I'll definitely reply. You can also comment me in the comment section. So today we are going to discuss the company second procedure. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखो, मैंने अपना बैकग्राउंड आपको बता दिया था कि मेरी बीसीए वगैरह थी, बीसीए की हुई थी मैंने, सीजीपी वगैरह, देखो मैंने दिस थिंग मैंने सारी प्रीवियस वीडियो में बता दी थी. और आपको इफ यू वांट माय रेज्यूमे, तो मैं वो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, नहीं तो आप लिंक्डइन पे जाके मेरे को मैसेज कर सकते हो. आई विल प्रोवाइड यू माय रेज्यूमे देयर. ओके, सो बात करते हैं जो मेरी कंपनी सेकंड थी, उसका नेम था पेनामोर. दैट वाज बेसिकली इन गुरुग्राम. उसका क्या था प्रोसीजर बता देता हूँ पहले, क्योंकि प्रोसीजर भी जानना होता है कि भाई कंपनी को अप्रोच कैसे किया. ठीक है, तो कंपनी को अप्रोच करने का प्रोसीजर बेसिकली सिंपल था. क्या अप्लाई किया, देखो मैंने आपको बताया था पहले भी कि इन माई कैंपस देयर वाज नो प्लेसमेंट फॉर बीसीए. ओके, नो प्लेसमेंट फॉर बीसीए, बीएससी एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई जस्ट वांट अ जॉब, बिकॉज आई वाज एट दैट टाइम आई वाज टारगेटिंग द जॉब. सो मैंने क्या किया, डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाके अप्लाई किया. लाइक आई अप्लाइड ऑन द लिंक्डइन, आई अप्लाइड ऑन naukri.com, Indeed, एंड डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे जाके मैंने अप्लाई किया एज यूजर, जो सब करते हैं. आई हैव ऑल्सो डन इट. सो ऐसे ही कहीं से मैंने किया. जो मैंने पहली कंपनी की थी वो भी ऑफ कैंपस थी. तो ऐसे ही जो कंपनी सेकंड थी, इसको भी मैंने क्या किया था कि हाँ, मेरे एक दोस्त था, वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड सेंड मी द लिंक ऑफ दिस कंपनी, इसको भर दे भाई. मैंने कहा ठीक है, भर देते हैं. फिर उसके बाद कॉल आई. अब क्या था, जो कंपनी सेकंड थी, इसका जो बेसिकली प्रोसीजर था सारा, वो वॉक इन इंटरव्यू था. वॉक इन इंटरव्यू मतलब कि जितना भी इनका प्रोसीजर था, राउंड 1, राउंड 2, राउंड 3, दे आर बेसिकली इन ऑफलाइन मोड. ओके, सो आई वेंट, देयर वाज ए कॉल फ्रॉम देयर साइड. सो बात करते हैं सारा प्रोसीजर. बेसिकली वी आर डिस्कसिंग द कंपनी सेकंड प्रोसीजर. व्हाट वाज द प्रोसीजर? सो बेसिकली अप्लाई का मैंने देखो बता दिया, दोस्त वगैरह ने लेके भेजा था, वहां से जाके मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया, और उसने भी ऐसे रैंडमली, उसने भी naukri.com वगैरह वगैरह से ही लिंक उठाया था. सो ही सेंडेड मी ऑन द सेम लिंक दैट ब्रो इसको भर दे, ठीक ठीक कंपनी है और बीसीए डिग्री अलाउ कर रही है. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है भर देते हैं, कोई परेशानी नहीं है. सो राउंड 1 क्या हुआ कि राउंड 1 से पहले क्या हुआ यार, कॉल आई थी एचआर की. सो कॉल आई एचआर की, शी वाज आस्किंग मी दैट इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड in this job role, so you can come on to particular date on their office, okay, in Gurugram. So because I told you, this was a walk-in interview, you can say the physical interview, a kind of physical interview where just a group of people will come, like as you are going. So some of the students, like when we were there now, so 25 students were there at that time, 25-30 students were coming for the walk-in interview, okay. So basically the bulk number of students are coming to take to give the interview, okay, and you have to compete with them, okay. So call आया HR का, so she was asking that are you ready for coming for the walk-in interview. So I told yeah, I am comfortable because Gurugram is like it is not so far from my hometown, that is Faridabad. So just I told her that yeah, I will definitely come. So we went there now, फर्स्ट राउंड इन वॉक इन इंटरव्यू. तो उससे पहले रोल बता देता हूँ, रोल क्या था इस कंपनी में. इस जॉब का रोल था सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग. सो द रोल वॉज सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग इन दिस कंपनी. कंपनी का नेम बताया मैंने पैनामोर, और रोल वॉज सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग. स्क्रीनशॉट देखना है, प्रूफ देखना है, ऑफर लेटर का फाइनल ऑफर लेटर आया था मेरे पास, उसका प्रूफ वगैरह देखना है तो जाके देख सकते हो. और पैकेज भी इसमें डिसेंट था. पैकेज here was decent, that is 3.5 LPA for first year. फर्स्ट ईयर मतलब 2 साल का सर्विस वगैरह बॉन्ड करा रहे थे 2 साल का. एंड सेकंड इज 5.5 आई थिंक 5 LPA फॉर सेकंड ईयर, ओके. So this was the package, this was the role, software engineer trainee. Software engineer trainee role was very good. Like they told me each and everything about that after your selection you will be given a role as I think associate software developer, and after that you will be become a software developer. So these were role basically, software engineer training, and 3-month training will be given to you. 3 months training will be given to you. So this was the procedure. Now come to the main thing, that is round 1. So basically what happened, we went to the Gurgaon, me and my friend who sent me the link, we both went into the Gurgaon. Now we saw that number of students were sitting there for giving the interview. Okay, so round 1 basically was the group discussion now. Round 1 was basically group discussion. What happened there? They just made the group of 5 to 6 people. Group of 5 to 6 people. Now they are going by their own turn, like 5 to 6 people in going in a particular turn. After that 5 to 6 people are going into this loop was going on, okay. So we went 5 to 6 people. Now group discussion was basically they gave us a random topic, gave us the 1 to 2 minutes just to think about it, and then we need to discuss it in the group, okay. Or they allow us to speak in any of the language. उन्होंने कह दिया था आप हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हो तो हिंदी में बोल सकते हो, इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल हो तो इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हो. दैट वाज लाइक नॉन ऑफ प्रेशराइज दैट यू शुड ओनली स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. नो, कोई ऐसा प्रेशर नहीं था. इफ यू वांट स्पीक इन हिंदी तो आप बोल सकते थे, उन्होंने ऐसा बोल दिया था हमसे, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर हुआ ग्रुप डिस्कशन. उन्होंने आपको एक रैंडम टॉपिक दिया, 1-2 मिनट बताया, उसके मतलब 1-2 मिनट दिए कि उसके बारे में सोच लो. आफ्टर दैट दे स्टार्टेड द ग्रुप डिस्कशन. अब ग्रुप डिस्कशन था तो इजीली हो गया, क्या कोई परेशानी नहीं हुआ. ग्रुप डिस्कशन था, सिंपल सा टॉपिक था, शायद वर्क फ्रॉम होम और वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस, दिस वाज द टॉपिक आई थिंक. सो दिस वाज द सिंपल टॉपिक. सो इसके बारे में थोड़ी बहुत देर बातचीत करी, ग्रुप डिस्कशन हो गया. सो ओके, आफ्टर दैट दे टोल्ड अस टू वेट फॉर द few hours you can say 1 to 2 hours. They just told us to just wait for the 1-2 hour. They will short the students after this group discussion. So after this round 1 के बाद round 2 में जो क्लियर हुए, क्योंकि यहाँ से बच्चे बहुत एलिमिनेट हो गए. मैंने बताया ना 30-35 बच्चे आ रहे थे, 25 थे जाऊंगे तो टोटल आफ्टर दिस 30-35 बच्चे हो गए थे टोटल. आफ्टर दैट जब 30-35 बच्चे हो गए, कुछ घंटे के बाद ग्रुप डिस्कशन के बाद दे जस्ट एलिमिनेटेड सम स्टूडेंट्स, एंड नाउ द सेलेक्टेड स्टूडेंट विल बी अप्लाइंग फॉर दी विल बी गोइंग फॉर द राउंड 2. एंड विद द गॉड्स ग्रेस मेरा राउंड 1 क्लियर हुआ, और राउंड 2 के लिए बताया गया कि ठीक है अभी आपको रोकना है. नाउ राउंड 2 वाज कंप्लीटली टेक्निकल. राउंड 2 वाज बेसिकली कंप्लीटली टेक्निकल. नाउ टेक्निकल में क्या हुआ, वी वेंट देयर. So one of their technical team member, I think at that time, who was taking my technical interview, she was a senior software developer. Yeah, she was a senior software developer. Now, in this technical interview, she was having my resume. So she was asking that you are comfortable in JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Yeah, I was comfortable in these languages, and she also told that you are comfortable in Java, SQL, and all that. Okay, so these were basically programming language that was written in my resume. Okay, and projects were also written. So basically, she just started asking. First of all, introduction, basic thing. She'll also ask you to just give the introduction of yourself. So I gave the introduction. After that, she started asking me the question related to HTML, CSS. Not HTML, she asked starting the question with CSS. Like simple question that if image is there, so how you will put this image there, which property you are going to use. Okay, so she asked me the question related to CSS, basic questions. Okay. After that, she asked me question related to JavaScript. That which property of JavaScript, where constraints, difference between where constant, then let, and these keywords she was asking basically. After that, she gave me a page and she told me to write a question of array. I think just I need to find out the maximum minimum element in the array. So she just gave me a page and she told me to write the code, or you can say a pseudo code for this thing. Okay, so basically the logic. She was basically me logic I have to write to find out the maximum minimum element in the array. Okay, so this was basically the technical. After that, SQL comes. She asked me some theoretical question about SQL, DML, DDL, data warehouse, and all that. And she asked me about joins and all that. After that, she also gave me a page. She just gave me a query. She gave me a query. Two, three query was given to me, and for related to SQL. So SQL वगैरह की query दी गई. Array से कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे गए, जैसे कि मैक्सिमम मिनिमम वगैरह. JavaScript के पूछे गए. हो गया उसके बाद. अब after that, she came to the projects. She was discussing that which technology you have used and just explain your projects and explain in the brief. Basically, I explained my projects to her, and she asked me the random questions that okay, you have done this, so which property of JavaScript you have used there, which property of CSS you have used there, and all that. After that, after this completion of this technical round, at last she asked me a question related to some data interpretation. That was not like you can say in our syllabus or in my, it is not also mentioned in my resume, but yes, this is a journal thing. She asked me a simple question related to data interpretation. At starting, I was little bit confused. I was thinking that this is not from, because I was thinking that she is only asking from my syllabus, from my resume. But she was asking this question from data interpretation, so that took me a little bit time to just remind the correct answer for this. Okay, so this completely is the technical round. Okay, after that, same procedure. After few hours, they also shorted the students, and now in this round 2, most of the students get out. Because now round 3 is there, and that will be the last round, that is the HR round, and now they have to select some people. So after this round, they have eliminated number of students. Now round 3 will come, and with again God's grace, I have also selected in round 3. Round is also clear. Now they told that your HR round will be there. Now you just wait for a few minutes. I told okay, no problem. So round 3 is basically, they told us this is only the simple HR round. Okay, so this is the simple HR round. We went. I went there. So 2 board members were sitting there. Board members, like I think the HR and one of the you can say associate HR, executive HR was sitting there. So they both are sitting. So just they started asking me the question related to my background and why I want to join their company, where I will see myself in next 5 years. And they also asked me question related to my projects, that your projects are this and this. Okay, so so basic question that if you are selected, so how will you relocate and all that basic question. Like up to here you are selected now. So this is basically the casual talk. They are asking you the question simple related to yourself. Okay, and they are also just checking your communication skill, that you are comfortable, you are having confidence, you are having good pronunciation and means good communication skill. They are just testing here a little bit. Okay, so this was basically the round 3 of HR. So this is the complete procedure of company 2 company 1 procedure I told you in the previous video. This is the procedure of company 2, how I approach, what was the procedure they asked me, and after this round 3 they told that yeah, okay, now your final result will tell you in the after 1 week. Okay, I was agree. Okay, so after 1 week there was a call from their side that congratulations, you are selected and your joining date is this and this, we are releasing your offer letter. So I said thank you, no problem, you can release. So they released my offer letter and all that. So this was basically the company second procedure that I told you in this video. Now next video will come where I will be discussing with you the procedure of company 3 and then company 4. So these was the procedure, simple procedure. If I can you do it, these procedure, so you can also do. Okay, no issue in that. These are very simple. If you are just focusing little bit, so you can easily grab these opportunities. Okay, round 1, round 2, round 3, they are basically simple. So if you have any query, you can connect to me on LinkedIn or you can also ask me in the comment section. Till then, thank you.